Sneezing isn't just annoying. It's your nose's emergency reset button. Let's blow the lid off this messy science. When irritants hit your nose, your brain triggers a chain reaction. Your lungs suck in air, then blast it out at 100 miles per hour. It's your body screaming, "Get this out." Fun fact, sneezes can travel 30 feet and spread 100,000 germs. Thanks for nothing, evolution. But here's the kicker. Closing your eyes during a sneeze isn't voluntary. Your eyelids slam shut to protect your eyeballs from flying germs. Comment to chew. If sunlight makes you sneeze, follow for more explosive body truths.